Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is updated and you're logged in. This avoids compatibility errors. Open the camera, tap Effects, then choose My Effects so you're directly editing what's available to you. Once done, locate the effect you want to update, either from your downloads, saved templates, or a draft, so you can begin replacing assets and parameters. Doing this immediately saves time and prevents mistakenly editing the wrong effect. Now you'll dig into the effects layers and parameters. Tap into visual assets to replace images or 3D objects. Adjust masks and tracking anchors so the effect locks to the right face or surface, and change intensity, color, timing, and trigger behavior to refine responsiveness. Once changed, preview the effect across lighting conditions and orientations. This confirms tracking and visual fidelity. Make iterative tweaks and repreview until finish by saving and exporting or publishing the updated effect from My Effects. This commits your changes to the app's effect library. Test the final result on your device and, if possible, with a second account to validate behavior under different permissions. If something goes wrong, like misaligned tracking or missing assets, clear the app cache, reinstall TikTok, or revert to a saved previous version. If issues persist, recheck asset names and anchor settings before repeating the update and test cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.